Royal Enfield is cooking up something exciting with the Shotgun 650. Designers and engineers are crafting a powerful and stylish machine. Keep an eye out for 2024. That's when the Shotgun 650 might hit the streets. Royal Enfield continues to innovate, and the Shotgun 650 is the next big thing to watch for. Inside their virtual workshop, designers are sculpting this twin-cylinder masterpiece. Anticipate its grand entrance in 2024. The Shotgun 650 is a game-changer. Royal Enfield's legacy of innovation continues with the Shotgun 650. Stay tuned for its real-life transformation. The Royal Enfield Shotgun 650, a highly anticipated arrival, is still shrouded in mystery. But behold, a glimpse into its potential form, brought to life by the Triple Lines YouTube channel. This rendering could be the roadmap to what's next in Royal Enfield's evolution. As we await the Shotgun 650's grand reveal, this rendering tantalizes our expectations. The Shotgun 650, a design inspiration rooted in the SG650 concept unveiled at EICMA 2021. Under the skin, it shares its DNA with the Super Meteor 650, a name that echoes in the Indian motorcycling landscape. Up front, a commanding round headlamp encased in a muscular shroud, flanked by USD forks and a robust tire. Imagine the Shotgun 650, Royal Enfield's potential twin-cylinder marvel, poised to potentially grace us in 2024. But what might this new machine look like in reality? To understand its essence, we must delve into its lineage. The Shotgun 650 is expected to inherit the Super Meteor 650's underpinnings, a bike that has already made its mark on the Indian motorcycling landscape. Now, let's dissect its anticipated design. The Shotgun 650 appears to take cues from the SG650 concept, first unveiled at EICMA 2021. Its front end showcases a bold, round headlamp nestled within a muscular shroud, adorned with a compact windscreen. This imposing visage is complemented by USD forks and a beefy front tire. For a more vivid portrayal, you can check out the detailed design render created by the Triple Lines YouTube channel. While test mules have teased us, the final design remains a tantalizing mystery. The Shotgun 650, with its roots in both tradition and innovation, holds the promise of a thrilling riding experience. In the world of motorcycling, anticipation runs high for Royal Enfield's Shotgun 650. Revealed as the SG650 concept at EICMA 2021, this bike promises to deliver a unique blend of style and power. The Shotgun 650's design takes inspiration from that concept. Up front, it boasts a muscular headlamp shroud, a small windscreen, and beefy USD forks. The tank design has been subtly tweaked, aligning it with the bike's sporty character. Chrome and silver elements are kept to a minimum. Move to the back, and you'll find a tail section reminiscent of the Super Meteor 650, complete with a round LED tail lamp. As we eagerly await its debut, the Shotgun 650 promises to be a stylish and distinctive addition to Royal Enfield's lineup. When it comes to aesthetics, the Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 strikes a balance that's truly eye-catching. Its well-proportioned look is complemented by a longer wheelbase, giving it a confident stance. Inside, you'll find familiar elements borrowed from the Super Meteor 650, from the instrument cluster to the switchgear. Notice those striking dual-tone diamond-cut alloy wheels? They add a touch of elegance, although we're yet to confirm the wheel size. All in all, the Shotgun 650 promises not just style, but substance too, with a wheelbase and design that make a statement. Now, let's dive into what powers this mean machine. Under its sleek frame resides a robust 648cc parallel twin air-cooled engine. This powerhouse churns out 47 bhp and a substantial 52 Nm of peak torque, channeling its might through a precise 6-speed gearbox. And if you're wondering when you can get your hands on this beast, we're looking at a possible debut in the year 2024. Excited about the Royal Enfield Shotgun 650? Stay tuned for more updates by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Don't miss a beat. Hit that subscribe button now.